So first we will start by sectioning your hair into 2 sections. Before I start curling my hair, I'll be using the heat relief to protect it from any damage. So I'll just spray that through my hair, and then I'll take a comb and brush it through just to make sure it's evenly distributed. The first piece, you'll want to curl it away from your face just to help frame your face. Then the next piece, you'll curl it towards your face, and you will just keep alternating back and forth throughout this whole bottom layer. Now for the top section, you'll want to take the first 2 pieces and curl them both away from your face, and then begin alternating again. And here's what they will look like. Next, I'll take 4 gold bobby pins, and I'll just part my hair to the side and begin adding those bobby pins. And here's the final look all together. It's super simple and very easy to achieve.